How to buy and sell gift cards on Tbay. In this video, I will show you how you can buy or sell your gift cards on Tbay website. Just for that, just open any browser and search for Tbay and open the first link in front of you. When you open this link, this will be the display in front of you. You can see now before buying or selling gift card, you keep in mind you have to sign in onto your account, or if you don't have any account, just sign up for account and then buy or sell. So if you want to sell on Tbay gift card, then first click here gift card. There are two options: sell gift card, buy gift card, also create an offer. If you want to sell your gift card, just click on sell gift card. When you click on sell gift card, now you can see here there are many buyers who want to buy a gift card and they are online. You can see their option online option. So you have to just click on sell now. Before this, you can choose your category, in which category you want to sell, which card you want to use. So you can select any card here, and then this buyer will be shown in front of you. Just click on sell now. When you click on sell now, just put your amount here, all your amounts and other detail, and just simply click on sell now. As you can see, it's showing me sign in now. This is because I am not signed in yet. That's why it's showing me sign in. But if you have signed in, then it will show you sell gift card. So simply click on sell gift card and your gift card will be sold. Now, if you want to buy a gift card, then again click on here gift card and buy gift card. When you click on buy gift card, again choose any card. Let's suppose I choose Apple and iTunes. Now here you can see. Now just click on buy now. These are the buyer and just simply click on buy now. Now put all the details and simply click on buy now. So when you click on buy now, you will get gift card. So this is the way you can buy or sell gift card on Tbay.